So, hello everyone, I'm Shashwata Shah, and today I will teach you, or rather, we will get taught about how to build your own custom GPT using ChatGPT. Okay, so as you know that ChatGPT is providing a free access custom GPT features of the GPT Go platform for nearly like it has been a month. So let's start by learning how to build a custom GPT. So let's say we have this, let's say we open a new chat. We just say, I want to build a custom GPT. So give me new ideas as well as what things to do after that. Let's see, ChatGPT says here fresh, unique, high impact custom GPT ideas. So the first one is LinkedIn Ghostwriter GPT, then it's college notes, then it's Fiverr success blueprint, startup idea validator. Okay, let's do this one. Find it quite interesting. So let's make this happen. Okay, so those who have not started, like have ever have done like build a custom GPT, you can get this option here, like in new chat or in the drawer you can get explore, right? So here in explore you can get an option called create. Okay, so you can just create this GPT. You will get an interface like this where you can add your picture of the GPT. You can add this name, description, the instructions, conversion starters. We will get taught by ChatGPT right now. So let's say we give ChatGPT this prompt to configure this new ChatGPT or new custom GPT. Okay, so let us send this one, telling it fill this up. Let's see, it's giving a description, a very nice description. Like the first we have to give a name as well, so we can give it after we have given all the things. So first description, then we get here the instructions. Let's give whatever ChatGPT has gave us. Okay, we will see it later. Conversation starters. Let's give this one. Okay. Okay. So there are several conversation starters at the same time. Let us do one thing. Let us give it line by line. This is one. The second one is this. Third is analyze this idea. Is this startup worth building? Okay. Okay. We've got one, two, three, four, five. Five conversation starters here. Like if you type these things, it will give you a, it will understand, your custom GPT will understand that you are telling the GPT to generate something from you. Okay, it's like when you are starting a conversation with GPT, it's like asking you what term should I recognize as a conversation starter. So right now these are my conversation starters, this all. So I can just give a name like hmm, this. Okay, we can give a random name like this. Also, we have this conversations can potentially reveal part of all the files uploaded. Okay, so we can upload a knowledge base. Let's say we have some ideas which we have previously generated about like a startup being built, a startup being run by someone or something like that. We can just upload it here as a text file, as a document file, anything. So I won't give it. I won't give it. Also, ChatGPT also says that optional. It's optional. It's like you can or you cannot. And the recommended model is GPT 5.1 for me. Its capabilities, okay. So Canvas, code interpreter, all of them are ticked. And okay, these are all the things. We don't need to create a new action. can just click on create, right? We can also give a picture, but we can do it later also. So not an issue right now. So we can just click on create, and we can also, there are three options. We can make it private, right? Also, we can share it to anyone, any of your friends. It will give a unique link. Also, we can upload it to the GPT store. Okay, for now, I'm uploading it to the GPT store, and I'm categorizing it under, let's say, productivity. Let's say it's something like the entrepreneurs need to learn before starting up or finding something, whether it's worth their time and efforts or not. So let's make it under the productivity category, and we're saving it. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, so we have got a unique link, which I will copy it for later, and we can view this GPT as well. So let us see the GPT. Okay, the GPT is ready. Okay, so let's say validate my startup idea. Okay, it's asking me for all these problems. Let us say we are trying to make a startup, a food startup maybe, for let's say rolls and like whatever, like you can say some chapatis and all, any startup. Or you can say a food startup like Wow Momo and all. So I wanna build a startup which promotes cloud kitchen services across India, and it provides veg meal only. So this one is for the target users, only target those customers who eat veg meals. Next is the pain level. I don't know what it is, but let's give it 6 is my pain level. Your proposed solution, this can be the solution. It's like a cloud kitchen. So in the beginning, I could have given the problem like mm, stores are facing some problem. Okay, let's see what it interprets. Business model, let's keep it for ChatGPT or our own custom GPT to recognize for itself. Region, region is India. I've already provided. Known competitors, known competitors are like you can say Wow Momo and all. Let's see. Okay, I have the basic direction, but I need a few essential details before I can read the full validation workflow. Okay, I need clarification on what exact problem are you solving. Okay, yeah, we can just take another thing like this one, everything. Okay, we can just copy it. This are the problems, and what is your proposed solution? Mm, yeah, maybe a subscription meal plan. We can do it. Subscription. Proposed solution is okay. Then business model we can earn through per meal order, subscription meal plans, corporate catering, marketplace commissions. Okay, let's click on corporate catering and per meal orders as well. We will earn through both of this. The first one is corporate catering and per meal orders. Okay, and the target user segment, which veg audience? Let's say all of them. Target all of this. Okay. Region and city, I want it pan India. So, yeah, so it's like first understanding my startup idea. First of all, we have the problems like lack of affordable wage meals, inconsistent quality across restaurants, late night veg options, office workers needing reliable subscriptions, targets to users. We have pain level, we have proposed solution also, we have like business model, known competitors. Okay, so market demand analysis. So we have these things in dollars. So we have got all these things like analysis and all. So we can get a summary of the profits I can possibly acquire in rupees over a few months, and what losses and this or if we can say problems we can face, how to survive in the market. Let's see. Okay, so it's giving one cloud kitchen in a tier one city like Bangalore maybe. We can get at 200 to 300 square feet of land, or we can rent it. It's like 8 to 10 menu items, two chefs, one helper, Swiggy, Zomato plus subscriptions and all. Like in the early stage, we can get 40 customers maybe who are subscribers. Daily orders we can get is 25, average order value maybe it's 150. So our subscription price may be ranged in the like 3000 per month or something like that. And so after all this calculation, we can get 2.3 lakh per month, which is actually very much logical for a like food and catering service company to operate in a tier one city. So our expenses is actually 2.1 lakhs. So we are getting a profit of nearly 20K. Yeah, so nice. In the early stage, we can get a profit of 20K. Okay, so we can just get all the data from it, all the details from it, and this particular GPT is specific for your entrepreneurship details. Okay, like I've given this thing for, let's say, any challenges which you can face and all. Like this, you can just build your own custom GPT. You can just play with it whatever you want. You can just get all these details and all. You just get everything. Okay, so this is how we can build a custom GPT in our 5.1 package or the ChatGPT Go package. So this is for today. I will come back with some new interesting topics to discuss about. Thank you and have a nice day.